In this video, we'll show you how to remove mildew from clothes effectively. Mildew stains not only leave unpleasant marks but can also cause a musty smell and weaken fabric fibers if left untreated. With the right approach, you can restore your clothes and make them fresh again. Let's dive into the process of removing mildew stains and odors from your garments. To remove mildew from clothes, you'll need white vinegar, baking soda, a mild detergent, a soft brush or sponge, and a washing machine. For tougher cases, you may also use hydrogen peroxide or a commercial mildew remover that's safe for fabrics. Start by brushing off any visible mildew spores outdoors to prevent spreading them indoors. Use a soft bristled brush or cloth to gently loosen the spores from the fabric. Avoid scrubbing too hard to prevent damaging the material. Fill a basin with warm water and add 1 cup of white vinegar. Submerge the affected garment in the solution and let it soak for about 30 minutes. Vinegar helps break down mildew stains and neutralizes odors. For heavily mildewed clothes, you can increase the vinegar amount slightly. After soaking, apply a mixture of baking soda and water directly to the mildew-stained areas. Gently scrub the stain using a soft brush or sponge. Baking soda acts as a mild abrasive and deodorizer, helping to lift the stain and eliminate lingering odors. Place the garment in the washing machine and wash it on the hottest cycle that's safe for the fabric, as indicated on the care label. Use a high-quality detergent and add a cup of white vinegar to the rinse cycle for extra odor removal. Avoid using fabric softener, as it can trap mildew spores in the fabric. After washing, dry the clothes completely. Air drying in direct sunlight is ideal, as sunlight has natural antibacterial properties and helps to kill any remaining mildew spores. If sunlight isn't an option, use a dryer on a low heat setting, ensuring the garment is fully dry to prevent further mildew growth. If the mildew stain persists after washing, apply hydrogen peroxide directly to the affected area. Allow it to sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly and repeat the washing process. Be cautious with colored fabrics, as hydrogen peroxide can bleach certain materials. To avoid mildew, always store clothes in a cool, dry place and never leave damp clothes sitting in a laundry basket or washing machine. Use moisture absorbers or dehumidifiers in humid environments, and ensure clothes are completely dry before storing them. Removing mildew from clothes is manageable with the right techniques and cleaning supplies. By acting quickly and following these steps, you can eliminate stains and odors, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical laundry tips and stain removal advice. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.